Integrated 3, it's problem 10-12. It just wants you to solve for x in this triangle. So you see that it is not a right triangle, so you cannot use your SOHCAHTOAs, but you could use law of sines or law of cosines. Law of sines to me is easier. So you need some angle pairs. So I see I have like the 17 and the 20. So I could say sine of 20 is to the side across from it, as sine of, I don't know yet, is to x. So I need this angle measure, but I can get it pretty easily. I can just go 180 minus 50 minus 20. And I get 110 here. And so that gives me my angle, and that's the law of sines. It's sine of the angle is to the side across from it, as sine of another angle is to the side across from it. And then how do you solve it? You just do cross products. So 17 times sine of 110 is equal to x times sine of 20, and then you can divide both sides by sine of 20. And then that gives you x equals whatever 17 times sine of 110 is, and then divide it by sine of 20. So I can just go 17 sine 10. So that's what 17 sine of 110 is, and then I'll divide that by sine of 20. And that gives me x is about 46.7. And then I look at it and I try to imagine this triangle has across from the short, the small angle is 17. So it does make sense that this could be really big, like 46.7. That's not a crazy answer because that's the biggest angle. So, and that's the answer. Okay, so then let's do the next one. Do a different color. Do purple. That says 36, by the way. So it's not a right triangle. I want to try to use law of sines if I can. So I'll set up a proportion. So sine of an angle is to the side across from it, as sine of a different angle is to the side across from it. So I see this is an angle pair right here. I can say the sine of 55 is to x as the sine of, well, I'm interested, I need this angle, and then I can put the 10 down here. So I want that angle. So I'm just going to go what I did last time. I said 180 minus 55 minus 36. That gives me 89. I think that is 89. That makes sense. I hope that's right. Okay, and then we're going to solve for x. So, and a shortcut is you can just go this times this divided by this. That's a shortcut. I'm going to do it that way. I'm going to say 10 times sine of 55 divided by sine of 89. And that gives me 8.19. And when I look at my triangle, this side is 10. So that seems, this is 89 degrees, so that seems reasonable. And I can check it. I have my answer key, and it is correct.